Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share fun and easy English lessons every week.
Yes, and today's topic is very simple, but very powerful. Daily habits.
Exactly. The small things you do every day can make a big difference in your English and your life.
And we'll also practice English sentences step by step.
All right, Mia. Are you ready to share your daily habits?
Of course! But first, a little joke to start. Why did the coffee file a police report?
I don't know. Why?
Because it got mugged?
Perfect start. Okay, friends, let's learn English while having fun. Alex, what's the first thing you do after you wake up?
I make my bed. It feels so good to start the day organized.
That's great. Let's say it slowly. I make my bed. Repeat after me.
I make my bed.
Perfect. And what about breakfast?
I drink water first. Very simple, but healthy habit.
Yes, I drink water every morning. That's a very useful sentence.
And I also write my goals for the day, even small goals.
Small goals are very important. Try saying, I write my goals every morning.
I write my goals every morning.
Perfect. Everyone, you can practice these morning sentences every day. Mini tip 1. Repeat your morning routine in English. Example, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I check my phone. Okay, Alex, now let's talk about mistakes. Don't worry, we all make them.
Yes, yesterday I spilled coffee on my notebook.
Oh, no. Let's say it in English slowly. I spilled coffee on my notebook.
I spilled coffee on my notebook. Good.
Mistakes are lessons. What lesson did you learn?
Be careful with drinks near papers.
That's a useful sentence. And friends, try saying, I made a mistake today, every day.
Yes, and share your mistakes in English in the comments. Small mistakes equal big English practice.
Alex, do you express gratitude every day?
Yes, I say, I am thankful for my family and friends.
Let's say it slowly together. I am thankful for my family and friends.
I am thankful for my family and friends.
Great! You can also say, I am grateful for my health. I am thankful for a sunny day.
Every morning, one sentence of gratitude in English helps your vocabulary and positive mindset.
Yes, even a small sentence can brighten your day. Alex, do you plan your day?
Yes, I write a to-do list every morning.
Good. Repeat. I write a to-do list every morning.
I write a to-do list every morning.
Why is planning important?
It helps me finish tasks on time and practice English while doing them.
Yes. Example sentences you can try. I will study English today. I will exercise today. I will drink water first.
Small actions plus small sentences equals big results.
Some beginners feel nervous speaking English.
Yes, but I tell myself it's okay to make mistakes.
Repeat with me. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Try saying small sentences every day. Confidence grows slowly.
And don't forget to smile while speaking English. It makes it more natural.
Yes, smile plus speaking equals perfect combo. Imagine going to the market. Mia, what do you say?
I want some fruits, please.
Yes. And if they ask, which fruits do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
Perfect. Friends, practice daily actions in English: buying, eating, walking.
And you can also describe your surroundings. The sky is blue today.
Small sentences, but very powerful for learning English naturally.
Alex, do you say nice things to people every day? Yes. Have a nice day is simple, but makes people happy.
And talking about nature is fun too.
Like, the sun is bright today, or I hear birds singing.
Perfect. Try to observe and speak in English every day.
Sometimes we feel stressed. How do you relax, Alex? I take deep breaths and say, I am calm.
Yes, repeat with me. I am calm.
I am calm.
Friends, practicing simple sentences can also reduce stress.
Okay, everyone, your homework. Write one sentence about your daily habit in English in the comments.
Example, I drink water in the morning.
We will read your sentences and give friendly tips.
Remember, small actions plus small sentences equals big progress.
See you next time. Keep practicing and smile.
Bye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.